This is letter A and the sound is A. This is letter B and the sound is B. This is letter C and the sound is K. This is letter D and the sound is D. This is letter E and the sound is A. This is letter F and the sound is F. This is letter G and the sound is G. This is letter H and the sound is H. This is letter I and the sound is I. This is letter J and the sound is J. This is letter K and the sound is K, like the sound of C. We have 3 vowels over here: A, E, I. Basically we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, O. So now look at the blend. K, E, K, E, K, K, E, G, K, E, K, G, keg, keg. This is letter K and the sound is K. This is letter I and the sound is A. K, A, K, 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 A, K, D. Kid. This is letter D and the sound is D. This is letter K and the sound is K. This is letter I and the sound is A. K, A, K, D. Kid. K, A, K, D. Kid. K, A, K, A, K, K, A, K, T. Kit, kit, K, A, K, T, kit. With vowel: Ka, K, Ki, Kha, K. Ka, K, Ki, Kha, K. Like cap, can, cap, cat, and keg, kid, kit, cord, cop, cot, cup, cub, cup, cub, and cut. We have words with E and I with the sound of K. We don't have words with these normally. So ka, ke, ki, kha, k. Ka, ke, ki, kha, k. A, B, B, C, k, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L L L M N O O P Q Q R S T U V W X Y Z We have 5 vowels. They are very special. Why are they special? Because they have 2 sounds. One long sound, the same as its name, and a short sound. Let's say the long sound of vowels A, E, I, O, U. And now let's say the short sound of vowels A, E, O, O.
This is